If you're new to X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will walk you through the basics so you can start using the platform with confidence. We'll cover how to log in, understand the home screen, create a post, interact with content, customize your profile, and find your settings. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into X using your account details. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main home screen, and this is where most of your activity will happen. The layout is usually split into 3 main sections, so let's break those down one by one. On the left side, you'll see the navigation sidebar. This is basically your control center. From here, you can access home, notifications, messages, your profile, bookmarks, and more. If you ever feel lost on X, this sidebar is where you'll come back to get around quickly. In the center, you'll see your feed or timeline. This is where posts appear from people you follow and from posts X thinks you might like. You'll usually see 2 tabs here, For You and Following. The For You tab shows recommended content based on your activity, while Following shows posts only from the accounts you've chosen to follow. If you want a more curated experience, the Following tab is often the best place to start. On the right side, you'll often see a search bar and a section that highlights what's happening right now. This is where trending topics, popular conversations, and news updates may appear. It's useful if you want to stay current or discover what people are talking about. Now, let's look at how to create your first post. To do that, find the Compose box at the top of your home timeline, or click the Post button on the left sidebar. Once the editor opens, type your message. Keep in mind that posts have a character limit. So if you want to stay concise, focus on one clear idea at a time. You can also add media to make your post more engaging. Below the text box, you'll usually see options to add photos, GIFs, polls, and emojis. If you're sharing a product, a tip, an announcement, or even a personal update, adding a visual can help your post stand out more in the feed. When everything looks good, click Post to publish it. After that, let's go over how to interact with other posts. This is one of the most important parts of using X, because it's a platform built around conversation and engagement. Under each post, you'll typically see several icons. The reply icon lets you respond directly to someone's post. This is great when you want to ask a question, share your opinion, or continue the discussion. The repost icon lets you share someone else's content with your own followers. This is a fast way to amplify content you find useful, interesting, or entertaining. You'll also see the like icon, which is usually a heart. Liking a post is the simplest way to show appreciation or agreement. And if you want to save something for later, use the bookmark icon. That way you can come back to the post when you have more time. Next, let's talk about customizing your profile. To do that, click Profile on the left sidebar. From there, select Edit Profile. This is where you can make your account feel more personal and professional. Here, you can update your profile picture, your banner or header image, your display name, your bio, and even add a link to your website or portfolio. If you're using X for personal branding, business, or content creation, taking a few minutes to polish your profile can make a big difference. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. Finally, if you want to manage your account preferences, go to the More menu on the left sidebar, which is usually shown as 3 dots. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control things like notifications, account security, privacy options, and other platform preferences. It's a good idea to explore this section so you can make X work the way you want. And that's a simple overview of how to use X.com or Twitter. You've learned how to log in, understand the layout, post content, engage with others, update your profile, and open your settings. Once you get used to these basics, using X becomes much easier and much more useful. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.